In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a PDF to JPEG or Tiff images using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've got a PDF and you need each page as an image for a presentation, a website, or archival use, Acrobat Pro makes this fast and reliable. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. With the file open, look to the top of the app and choose Tools. This opens Acrobat's Tool Center. From there, select Export PDF. You'll see several export options, and we're going to focus on image. Under image, choose the format you want, JPEG or TIFF. JPEG is a great everyday choice because it creates smaller files that are easy to share and upload. TIFF is ideal when you want maximum quality and minimal compression, which is often preferred for print, design workflows, or when you plan to edit images further in professional software. Once you've selected your format, click Export. Acrobat will prompt you to choose a folder. Pick a location that's easy to find, like your desktop or a project folder you already use. When you're ready, click Save. That's it. Acrobat will export your PDF, and each page will be saved as a separate image file. This is important to know up front. If your PDF has 10 pages, you'll end up with 10 images. Acrobat typically appends page numbers to the file names so you can keep them in order at a glance. If you only needed a few of those pages, you can simply keep the files you want and discard the rest. A couple of quick notes to help you choose wisely. JPEGs are widely supported by browsers and most apps, and they're the better choice when file size matters more than absolute fidelity. Expect smaller images with mild compression. TIFFs, on the other hand, can be much larger because they preserve more detail and avoid the artifacts you sometimes see in compressed images. That makes them excellent for high-quality printing and image processing. After saving, the images will be in the destination folder you chose, ready to preview. If your images look large or the resolution seems high, that's normal. Acrobat preserves the visual quality of your original PDF content. You can always downscale or optimize later if you need lighter files for email or web. And you're done! You opened the PDF, went to Tools, selected Export PDF, chose JPEG or TIFF under Image, clicked Export, picked a folder, and pressed Save. Your PDF pages are now neatly converted into image files ready for whatever you need next.